to solve the following equations using the elimination and substitution method. So we know that by using elimination or substitution method, any method you can still get the same answer. But to show one by one with both results will be quite long. So I just show you half. I will show half with the elimination, and I will show another half with the substitution method. Substitution method. Elimination method. So what does it mean by elimination? That means you want to eliminate unknowns. First, we reduce from 3 unknown to 2 unknown. We have this equation. So this is equation 1, 2, 3. From equation 2, we have x plus z is equal to 2. We can see that there's no y inside 2. So we can use 1 and 3 to eliminate y. Because this one is x and z, if we use 1 and 3 to eliminate y, then it will be easier since we have two equations with two unknowns. Okay, first, x plus y plus z is equal to 3. 2x plus y plus z is equal to 5. So you see here, we want to eliminate y, right? And we see the coefficient of y is equal. This one is 1y, 1y. So we can directly eliminate. To eliminate y, you see this one both is positive. Y minus y is equal to 0. So we have to minus either first minus second or second minus first. It doesn't matter, but I want to below minus upper one because I want my x to be positive. 2x minus x, you get x. Y minus y, you get 0. And z minus z, you get 0. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So you get x. X is equal to 2. When you get x, you know from 2, you can get z because you have x and z. Okay, substitute 4 into 2. X plus z is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, 2 plus z is equal to 2. Z is equal to 2. Move to the other side. 2 minus 2. 2 is equal to 0. Z is equal to 0. You have x and z. Now you can find y. You can use any 1, 2, 3 because you can use 1 or 3 to find y, the one with y, by substituting x and z. If I use number 1 because it is the simplest one, x plus y plus z is equal to 3. Okay, we are going to substitute. This one is number 5, 4 and 5 into this one is your equation 1. X is equal to 2, y, z is equal to 0 is equal to 3. 2 plus y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 2. Move to the other side. Positive become negative 2, which is equal to 1. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, and z is equal to 0. B, elimination method. So we can choose any unknown to be eliminated, but for me I want to choose y because everything is with y, so it will be easier to eliminate with the same coefficient. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, so I will do 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and then 2 and 3 also can, or 1 and 3 also can, any. Okay, I just do 2 and 3. So 1 and 2, just now we have 2x plus y minus z is equal to 7. Okay, and number 2, x minus y plus z is equal to 2. We want to eliminate y. Okay, I want to eliminate y first. So you see here, positive. How to get y to be 0? So you can see here, positive minus positive y plus negative y, we get 0. So we have to add up these two equation. 2x plus x, we get 3x. Y will be eliminated and z will be eliminated. So 3x is equal to 9. X is equal to 9 divided by 3, which is equal to 3. Now we get x. Okay, and 2 and 3, x minus y plus z is equal to 2. X plus y minus 3z is equal to 2. I want to eliminate y. This one is negative and positive. If we add up these two, negative y plus y, we get 0. So we will add this equation. X plus x is 2x. Z plus negative 3z. See, z plus negative positive minus 3, you get negative 2z is equal to 2 plus 2 is 4. Here, we can divide everything with 2 here. X minus z is equal to 2. This one is 4 and this one is 5. You see here, y, we have eliminated unknown y, but here we get our x. If we substitute 4 inside 5, we can get what is our z. So 4 into 5, x minus z is equal to 2. So here x is equal to 3. 3 minus z is equal to 2. Z is equal to, when z move to the other side and 2 move to the other side, negative z become positive z. So at this side, we have 3. When 2 enters the other side, it's negative 2, so we have 1. Now we have x is equal to 3. Z is equal to 1. Now we want to find what is our y. We can see that all three equations have y. We can just use any equation 1, 2 or 3. Just use the simplest one. Maybe I just use 2. X minus y plus z is equal to 2. X is equal to 3 minus y is equal to y. We don't know yet. Z is equal to 1 is equal to 2. So here 3 plus 1 is 4, negative y plus 4 is equal to 2. Now we want y to be positive, so we change place. Negative y entering this territory will be positive y. At this side we have 4, and when 2 enters this area, it becomes negative 2. So y 4 minus 2 is 2. This one y is equal to 2. So the solution for this answer, s is equal to 3, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 1. See, elimination. Okay, you can eliminate any number, so you can see that there's no unknown with the all same coefficient, so you can eliminate any. So I want to eliminate x first. Okay, eliminate x. 1, 2, 3. So for 1 and 2, I have x plus y plus z is equal to 3. This one is 2x plus y minus z is equal to 6. To do elimination, the coefficient of the one that we want to eliminate should be the same. We want to eliminate x, so we must make sure what is in front of x is similar. This one is 1x, this one is 2x. So what we can do is multiply everything here with 2 so that we can get the same coefficient. By multiplying with 2, we get 2x plus y times 2, we get 2y, z, we get 2z is equal to 6. I can directly write underneath here, but I just want to show you. Okay, so here the second one, minus z is equal to 6. I want to eliminate x. To eliminate x, you see here, we have 2 minus. 2 minus 2 will become 0. That is the only way we have to make negative so that our x can be 0. If we put positive, 2x plus 2x would be 4x and not 0, because we want to eliminate x. Okay, 2x minus 2x 0, 2y minus y, we get y, 2z minus z, we get z, 6 minus 6, we get 0. So this is the fourth equation. Okay, we want to eliminate x, remember, so we have this one is 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Choose another 2 equation, so either 2 and 3 or 1 and 3, it doesn't matter. We want to eliminate x, right? Okay, so I want to do 1 and 3 because here x and x the same coefficient, so you don't have to multiply with this one. Okay, 1 and 3. 1 is x plus y plus z is equal to 3, and this one is x plus 2y plus 3. Z is equal to 2. To eliminate x, you must minus either upper minus lower one or lower minus upper one. Okay, but I want y to be positive, so below minus upper 1. X minus x, you get 0. 2y minus y, you get y. 3z minus z, you get 2z. And 2 minus 3, you get negative 1. This is the fifth equation. See here, this one, y plus z is equal to 0. Y is equal to negative z. This one is the sixth one. So you can substitute inside here 6 into 5 to get the value of z. So you see here, y is equal to negative z. When you substitute, y plus 2z is equal to negative 1. Y is equal to negative z, right? Negative z plus 2z is equal to negative 1. Negative z plus 2z, you get z is equal to negative 1. And you know that y is equal to negative z. Y is equal to negative z. Y is equal to negative 1, which is equal to 1. So what is left now? We need to find what is our x. See, elimination. You can eliminate any number that you want, but I just want to eliminate x. Okay, we have first, second, third. So for x, you see this one is x, 2x and x. If you are doing with equation 2, then you have to make sure that the coefficient of x is the same. Okay, if I do 1 and 2, 1 here, x plus y plus z is equal to 3. And 2 here, 2x plus y minus z is equal to 6. To eliminate x, the coefficient must be equal. If this one is 2, this one must be 2. So what happened? We multiply everything with 2. When we multiply everything with 2, x times 2, we get 2x. Y times 2, we get 2y. Z times 2, we get 2z. And 3 times 2, we get 6. This one, 2x plus y minus z is equal to 6. Only when the coefficient is equal, we can add up or minus to eliminate x. You see here, we have 2x and 2x. To make it 0, we must minus. 2x minus 2x, we get 0. Okay. We can either minus upper minus below or below minus upper. Okay. But for this one, because 2y is larger, I want to this one minus this one. The first one minus the second equation. 2x minus 2x, you get 0. 2y minus y, you get y. 2z minus negative z. So 2z minus minus become positive. You get 3z is equal to 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. This one is 1 and 2. Okay. Another equation, you can either use 1 or 3 or 2 and 3. But you see here, I want to eliminate x. My x here and my x here is the same coefficient, which is 1. So I want to do 1 and 3. So that I don't have to go through this multiply. Just to make the coefficient equal. Okay, x plus y plus z is equal to 3. And the third one, x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 2. To eliminate x, we just minus x is equal to 0. And you see here, below here is 2y. So I want to minus below minus second equation minus the first equation. 2y minus y, we get y. 3z minus z, we get 2z. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. So this one is the fourth one. This one is the fifth one. From here, y plus 3z is equal to 0. Y is also equal to negative 3z. If we substitute y inside this equation, we can get what is our z. 6 into 5. So here, y plus 2z is equal to negative 1. Since y is equal to negative 3z plus 2z is equal to negative 1. Negative 3 plus 2, we get negative z is equal to negative 1. Therefore, z is equal to 1. See here, you can eliminate the negative 1. Z is equal to 1. If we get z, then we can get y. Okay, this one, z. Y is negative 3z, which is equal to negative 3. Z is equal to 1. So here we get negative 3. You can use any 1, 2, 3 to find x, but choose the easiest equation possible. So I choose the first one. X plus y plus z is equal to 3 from 1. X plus y is equal to negative 3 and z is equal to 1 is equal to 3. X, negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. X is equal to negative 2. When we move it to the other territory, negative 2 will become positive 2. 3 plus 2, so we get 5. So solution for this equation, x is equal to 5, y is equal to negative 3 and z is equal to 1. The substitution method. Actually, if you want to see the full solution for this question, both substitution and elimination method, you can see my web, teachermira.com. Okay, right, so for this one, 1, 2, 3. For substitution, choose the one which is easy to substitute. Okay, so you see here you have z, for z, x, 3x, and y, and 2y. I think it will be easier for us to substitute y, right? So I just choose to substitute y. To substitute y, I must find what is my y. So from 1 or 2, I think 1 will be easier to be substitute. Okay, from 1, 2x minus y plus z is equal to 6. I want y, right? So y enter at this territory, y. And then here 6 enter this area. At this area we have 2x plus z. When 6 enter, positive become negative. So this is equation 4. You have y now, which you get from 1. So you're going to substitute it in 2 and 3. So 4 into 2. So here you have 3x plus y minus z is equal to 2. When you substitute y is 2x plus z minus 6 minus z is equal to 2. 3x plus 2x plus z minus 6 minus z is equal to 2. You can see that z can be eliminated. 3x plus 2x is 5x. 5x minus 6 is equal to 2. 5x is equal to, when negative 6 move to the other side, it becomes positive 2 plus 6, which is equal to 8. X is equal to 8 divided by, from 1 you get 4, and then you substitute 4 into 2, and then 4 into 3. 4 into 3, this one, your 3 is x plus 2y minus 4z is equal to 8. X plus 2y is 2x plus z minus 6 minus 4z is equal to 8. X, 2 times 2x, we get 4x. 2 times z, we get 2z. 2 times negative 6, we get negative 12 minus 4z is equal to 8. So here, x plus 4x, we get 5x. 2z minus negative 4z, we get negative 2z, which is equal to minus 12 is equal to 8. 5x minus 2z is equal to, so negative 12, and we move to the other side, 8 plus 12, we get 20. So this is actually 5, and this one is 6. So you see here we have this one, 5x minus 2z is equal to 20, and here we have x. We can substitute 5 into 6. When we substitute the value of x inside the equation, we will get the value of z. 5x minus 2z is equal to 20. When x is equal to 8 over 5, 5 times 8 over 5 minus 2z is equal to 20. This one, 8 minus 2z is equal to 20. 2z change to this area, negative become positive 2z. At this area we have 8 left, and 20 when it moved to the other side become negative 20. 2z is equal to 8 minus 20, which is negative 12, and z is equal to negative 12 divided by 2, which is negative 6. Since we have z, we have x, so we can substitute any x and z inside 1, 2 or 3 so that we can get the value of y. So like usual, choose the easiest one to be substitute. So I think it's almost similar. I just choose equation 1. 2x minus y plus z is equal to 6. Okay, x is equal to 8 over 5 minus y is equal to, we don't know yet, and z is equal to negative 6 is equal to 6. So here 2 times 8, 16 over 5 minus y minus 6 is equal to 6. We want to find y, right? Y is going to move to the other side and 16 will move here. Okay, at this side we have 16 over 5 minus 6. And when this 6 enter this area, it will also become negative. So 16 over 5, 16 over 5 minus 6 you will get minus 12, we get negative 44 over 5. Negative 44 over 5. Therefore, the value that we get, x is equal to 8 over 5, y is equal to negative 44 over 5, and z is equal to negative 6. So this is the solution for this equation. E, substitution method. If you see here, we have y with all the coefficient of 1, so it will be easy to substitute y. I mean, the easiest to substitute y compared to the other unknown. Because if you use other unknown like z, you will have fraction when you substitute, and this one as well. Okay, from 1, x plus y plus 2z is equal to 4. So first I want to y is equal to, I only want y, so other number will be enter other territory, which is 4. This one we get 4. X become negative x, positive 2z become negative 2z. So this one is 4. Now I have y, then I can substitute equation y inside 2 and 3. Just now we use 1, right? So we are going to substitute into 2 and 3. If you use 2, then you are going to substitute inside 1 and 3, something like that. Okay. 4 into 2. Here, equation 2, we have x plus y plus 3z is equal to 5. 4, this one, 4 into 2, 4 is y, right? X plus y is 4 minus x minus 2z plus 3z is equal to 5. X plus 4 minus x, this one positive and negative, negative 2z plus 3z is equal to 5. X minus x can be cancelled out. Negative 2z plus 3z is equal to 1. 4 plus z is equal to 5. So when you want to find z, you can bring 4 to the other side. 5 minus 4, you get 1. Now you want to substitute. So you see here, this one is 5z. So you want to substitute here 4 into 3. Since you have the value of z, you can also directly substitute z. Okay, 4 into 3, so basically 5 and 4 into 3. 3, the third equation, we have 2x plus y plus z is equal to 2. So here 2x plus y is equal to 4 minus x minus 2z plus z is equal to 2. You can directly substitute z, or you can substitute later on also, can just show you. Okay, 2x plus 4 minus x minus 2z plus z is equal to 2. 2x minus x, you get x. And here, negative 2z plus z, you get minus z. And here you have plus 4 is equal to 2. We know that z is equal to 1. X minus 1 plus 4 is equal to 2. X negative 1 plus 4 is 3. x is equal to, we bring 3 to the other side, it will become negative 3, x is equal to negative 1. We have z, we have x. Now we want to find y. Y is equal to 4 minus x minus 2z, which is equal to 4 minus x is negative 1 and z is equal to 1. 4 minus minus 1, we get 4 plus 1 minus 2. 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 minus 2 is 3. We get y is equal to 3. Therefore, the solution for this equation, up here, x is equal to negative 1, y is equal to, here, 3, and z is equal to 1. F, substitution method. So here you see, here we have 1, 2, 3. Usually we just use the simplest equation to substitute, and you can see from 1 to 3, 2 is the simplest one. So choose what you want to substitute, x, y or z. If I see here 1 and 3, if I choose x, this one 3 coefficient is different. If I choose 1, coefficient also different, and z. So you can choose any, it will be still the same. Okay, x minus y plus z is equal to 1. So I want to substitute x. X is equal to 1. Negative y, when it enter other side, become positive y, and positive z become negative z. This is 2. Now we are going to substitute 4 inside 1 and 3. So 4 into 1. First equation, x plus 2y plus z is equal to 4. X is this one, right? 1 plus y minus z plus 2y plus z is equal to 4. Okay, 1 plus y minus z plus 2y plus z is equal to 4. Negative z and positive z can be eliminated, can be cancelled out. So here y plus 2y is 3y. We have plus 1 is equal to 4. 3y plus 1 is equal to 4. 3y is equal to, so you bring to the other side, 4. 1 become negative 1. 3y is equal to 3, which is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 divided by 3. You see here in front of y, which is equal to 1. So this one is the 6th one. Okay, this one is 4 into 1. We used 2 before. 4 into 1 done. Now 4 into 3. 4 into 3. 3 is 2x plus y plus 2z is equal to 2. 4 here is x, 2. 1 plus y minus z plus y plus 2z is equal to 2. You can actually directly substitute the value of y also, but you want to calculate first and then substitute also can. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2y. 2 times negative z, you get negative 2z plus y plus 2z is equal to 2. You can see that negative 2z and z can be eliminated. So here we have 3y. 3y plus 2 is equal to 2. 2 and this one can be cancelled out. y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 divided by 3, which is equal to 0. You see here y is equal to 1, but y is also equal to 0. So this one is not acceptable. We can say that this equation has no solution.